Today's video is on the top 3 best plasma cutting machines. Through extensive research and testing, I have put together a list of options that meet the needs of different types of buyers. So whether it's price, performance, or use of it, we've got you covered. For more product information, I have included affiliate links below, updated for the best prices. Now, let's find your top pick. Number 3, best budget. Reboot Plasma Cutting Machine. What if you could hold serious cutting power right in your hands without lugging around a heavy, complicated machine? That's exactly what this plasma cutter delivers. Strength, speed, and portability, all wrapped into one beginner-friendly tool. Whether you're fixing up a car, creating unique metal art, or handling tough repairs around the farm, this cutter is built to make your work faster, easier, and way more enjoyable. Let's start with what really grabs attention, its powerful cutting thickness. At 120 volts and 35 amps, it slices cleanly through 1/2 inch or about 12 millimeter steel. Kick it up to 240 volts and 60 amps, and it pushes through 5/8 of an inch, which is roughly 16 millimeters. With its smart dual voltage auto detection system, you don't have to guess or fumble. It adapts to your power source automatically, giving you anywhere from 10 to 35 amps on 120 volts and 30 to 60 amps on 240 volts. Pair that with the recommended PSI guidance of 70 to 75, and you've got a tool optimized for smooth, precise cuts every time. Now, here's where things get even better. It's ultra lightweight, just 8.69 pounds, or under 4 kilograms. That means you can carry it from your garage to your backyard workshop without breaking a sweat. Its compact design doesn't just make storage easy, it also lets you work comfortably in tight spaces where bulky machines can't reach. Worried about whether it's too advanced for beginners? Don't be. This plasma cutter was designed with simplicity in mind. From intuitive controls to straightforward amperage adjustments, everything is laid out to make operation stress-free. Even the PSI guidance is clear and easy to follow. That means if you're new to metalworking, you can confidently take on projects like home repairs, artistic designs, or DIY builds without needing prior experience. Versatility is another huge win here. It doesn't just stop at steel. You can cut through stainless steel, aluminum, copper, and more. That opens up endless possibilities for automotive jobs, installations, farm equipment maintenance, or even hobby projects at home. One tool, countless uses. That's real value. For the best performance, keep in mind the setup requirements. You'll need an air compressor that delivers 90 psi at 60 liters per minute or higher. On the electrical side, use a 50 ampere breaker for 120 volts or a 40 amp breaker for 240 volts. Smash that subscribe button like a plasma cutter slicing clean through steel. Number 2, best overall. Yeswelder Plasma Cutter. What if you could have a plasma cutter that's powerful, versatile, and built with your safety in mind? The Yeswelder Plasma Cutter isn't just another tool, it's a smart investment for anyone serious about clean, efficient, and precise metal cutting. Let's break down why this machine stands out and why so many people, from professionals to hobbyists, are turning to it. First up, it uses a non-high frequency blowback dart system. That might sound technical, but here's what it means. The machine starts smoothly without creating electrical interference. Unlike older plasma cutters, it won't mess with your nearby electronics, and it's much safer for both operators and those around them. It keeps the work environment safe and hassle-free. Now let's talk about where you can use it. The Yeswelder Plasma Cutter is designed for all kinds of applications. Whether you're prepping metal before welding, handling tricky automotive repairs, or even diving into a DIY art project, this cutter adapts beautifully. It's reliable enough for demanding jobs, yet easy to use for creative projects, making it a go-to for professionals and hobbyists alike. When it comes to raw power, this machine delivers with a high 65 amp current. That means you get serious cutting capacity. At 110 volts, it gives you a clean cut of 5/16 of an inch and a maximum of 1/2 inch. Switch to 220 volts and you're looking at clean cuts up to 3/4 of an inch and maximum cuts up to a full inch. One of the standout features is the digital display. It shows all your essential parameters, air pressure, voltage, and current, right on the screen. You'll always know exactly how the machine is performing. If something goes wrong, the error code system immediately alerts you, so you can fix the issue quickly and keep working efficiently. The non-touch pilot arc is another game changer. With the IPT40 torch, you can cut through rough, painted, or even rusty surfaces with ease. And since you don't have to touch the tip to the metal, you get better results while extending the life of your consumables. By the way, which of these plasma cutting machines would you choose? Tell us in the comments. Number 1. Our pick. Arccaptain iControl Plasma Cutter. Imagine having a plasma cutter that's not only powerful, but also smart, stable, and built to make your job easier than ever. That's exactly what this upgraded machine delivers. With the latest MCU technology, it takes precision to a whole new level. Everything inside is fully digitalized, giving you more control over cutting parameters, like current and voltage. The result? Cleaner cuts, steadier performance, and consistent quality every single time. When it comes to thickness, it's just as impressive, cutting smoothly through materials up to 12 millimeters with ease, and pushing its limits to handle a maximum of 20 millimeters when needed. Now let's talk about the pilot arc function, which is a total game changer. Instead of needing direct contact to get started, this machine uses a high-frequency, non-touch arc. That means it can slice through steel surfaces even if they're covered with dirt, rust, or coatings without slowing down or messing up your cut. Not only does this make your work faster and more convenient, but it also protects the torch itself. Since it doesn't scrape against the surface, the torch lasts longer, saving you money and hassle down the road. But here's where it gets even better. App control. Yes, you can connect to this plasma cutter with an app right from your phone. Imagine adjusting settings, monitoring performance, and checking status updates without having to stand right next to the machine. You can even do it from up to 10 meters away. Beginners will love how simple it makes the learning process, while experienced users will appreciate being able to save favorite settings and access quick FAQs whenever they need a refresher. To make the operation even smoother, the machine comes with 2T and 4T modes, plus intelligent post-blow features. In simple terms, 2T mode is great for quick, flexible cuts, while 4T mode is designed to reduce fatigue when you're working for longer periods. The post-blow system automatically adjusts cooling time based on your cutting current. For currents between 20 and 34 amps, the cooling lasts 5 seconds. For 35 to 45 amps, it runs for 8 seconds, and for 46 to 55 amps, it goes for 10 seconds. You don't have to touch a thing, it's all automatic, so you can stay focused on the job. Setup is also lightning fast. Thanks to the pre-installed air regulator and filter, you can be ready to cut in just 1 minute. The high-quality filter ensures that only clean air passes through by removing water, oil, and impurities, which means your cuts stay precise and your machine stays protected. And of course, safety and durability are our top priorities. With a smart fan system and advanced cooling technology, noise is reduced by half while cooling efficiency doubles, giving the machine a longer life. It's also built to withstand water, dust, and corrosion, drastically lowering the risk of failure. Add in multiple protection features like alarms and safeguards against overcurrent, overload, and overheating, and you've got a plasma cutter certified for reliability and peace of mind. Remember, we've done the hard work, sifting deep into the research so you don't have to waste time on subpar products. For more product info, check the affiliate links below or our website, toppick3.com. Thanks for watching.